GRL Engineers provided testing services for the Van Wyck Expressway. Project goals were to increase vehicle capacity, improve access to the airport, provide testing in a confined space, as well as integrity assessments for new piles. GRL performed thermal integrity profiling and dynamic load testing with an Apple drop weight system plus CapWAP data analyses on the project's new piles. To accommodate traffic schedules, dynamic load testing on micropiles was performed in confined spacing at night. New piles were created where rehab was not an option. These piles used thermal integrity profiling to assess concrete integrity. GRL Engineers provided assessments remotely. The project cost approximately $1.22 billion, utilizing alternative load testing methods, and was awarded with the Jeffrey J. Zog Building New York Award in 2023. Read the full case study at grlengineers.com.